this tutorial I'm going to show that how to install resources redirect icon pack on Windows 11 using Windhawk. First, download and install Windhawk. After installation, you'll see interface like this. Then you have to click on Explorer and search for resources redirect, and then click on details and install it. So here is some icon pack. You can install icon pack from here. This tutorial I'm going to show that how to install custom icon pack. First, you have to download this icon pack and extract these files. Then click on OK. And then right click on this folder and then click on copy as path. And then paste it here. And remove this quotation and then click on save. As you can see, my Explorer icon has not changed properly. So click on taskbar and then click on task manager, and in here you have to find Windows Explorer. And then right click on this Windows Explorer and then click on restart. This is how you can use a custom resources redirect icon pack on your Windows 11 using Windhawk. Now I am going to show that how to install this icon pack. First, open Windhawk and then click on remove and then click on remove mods. After remove the mods, here you can see all icon has not restored properly. First, you have to right click on this but file and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. So this is how you can remove resources redirect icon pack on your Windows 11 computer. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.